Hey, I'm Coach Natalie Carey. Today I'm doing modifications for the broad jump to back pedal. And so we know what we're modifying. Let's go over the traditional exercise first, sitting down into a squat, propelling yourself forward, and then back pedaling. So this is pretty high impact and advanced. Let's take it down a notch. If we want something lower impact, let's make the jump a little bit smaller. So you jump forward and then take a step back instead of that fast back pedal. This is option number one, a smaller jump with a step back. Option two, we're gonna jump off both feet and land on one. So we jump up both feet, land on one, take a step back, other foot. So you're alternating which leg you're landing on. Now I realize that both of these are still a medium impact. So I have a third option that is no impact at all. We step up to a calf raise, come down into a small squat, and then take a step back. And I bring the arms up in that calf raise to mimic the posture that we want in the broad jump, so that you can imagine getting hips over ribs, arms overhead, and following through that full motion. Let me show it one more time. I come up in the calf raise, squat down to a range of motion that feels good to you, and I step back. All right, those are all the modifications I got for broad jump to back pedal. If this exercise was helpful to you, please give my video a like, a subscribe. Thanks for being excellent to yourself today.